Fives. I'm just going to look over this assignment. This was one that we did yesterday, so Tuesday. I noticed some of you missed it or made some mistakes in it, so I'm going to just go over it so you can watch this and then make corrections if needed in your Google Classroom assignment. So this first one, we're sorting between quadrilaterals and triangles. So this is shapes that have 4 sides, shapes that have 3 sides. And then in the center of our Venn diagram is the shapes usually that would fit into both of those. But if we think about this, is it possible for a shape to have 4 sides and to have 3 sides? No, it's not. So we're just going to move all the triangles, 3-sided shapes over, and the quadrilaterals or 4-sided shapes are going to be there. And there can be nothing in the center. And then we've got one there that has 6 sides. This one also has 6 sides, so they're outside of the realm of their Venn diagram. And then this one again is a quadrilateral, 4 sides. All right, our second slide here, we have quadrilaterals in the left ring and has at least one right angle. So let's start here. This first one here is a triangle and it has no right angle. So it doesn't fit in either of those. If I look at B, it's got 4 sides and it has at least one right angle. It's got 4 right angles, so that would be right in the middle. It has both of those things. C as well, it's a quadrilateral with 4 sides and it's got 4 right angles, so it's going to be in the center there. D has 4 sides, so it's a quadrilateral. None of them are marked as a right angle, so it's just going to go in quadrilateral. E again is 4 sides. None of them are right angles, so it's going to be here on the left-hand side. Then this shape here, it's a hexagon. It's got 6 sides, but you'll notice the 2 angles on the left and right side, those are both right angles. So it has at least one right angle, but it's not a quadrilateral, so it has to be only here in this right-hand circle. This one here, G, has 6 sides and no right angles. So it's going to just stay outside of both rings. And then this triangle, 3 sides, so it can't fit in quadrilaterals, but it does have at least one right angle. It's got one right angle, so it'll go there. And then our last one, we're looking here for equilateral. That means all the sides are the same length. And here is polygons with all the angles equal. So if we start here with A, it has 3 angles marked the same and 3 sides. So that's going to be right in the center. B as well has all our sides marked the same and all our angles marked the same. They're all right angles. C, all our angles are the same. They're all right angles, but it's not equilateral because my top and bottom are longer than my 2 sides. So it has equal angles, not equal sides. D doesn't have equal sides, also doesn't have equal angles, so it's just going to be outside. E, our sides are all the same length, but our angles are not. Phone's ringing, I'm just going to ignore it because we're almost done here. F, our sides are the same length, our angles are not, so it also will be here in this left-hand circle. And then G, all our sides are the same length, they're marked that way, and all our angles are the same. So that is going in the center part here. And our last one, our sides are not marked the same, also our angles are not marked the same, so it is outside. So there you go. So if you needed extra help with that, you could, now that you've seen that, you can go through and make the necessary changes in your assignment.